Hi everyone, my name is Khaled Sha'ban. I welcome you from online education channel. I am really excited about this video. It's a highly requested video on Excel shortcuts that you should know, your college should know, anyone who works with Excel should know. Let's get started. Number one, click anywhere inside your data site. Use Ctrl Shift L to add a filter to this. And then you can go to about using the usual filter option. Filter for names. Press enter. That's my list. Click Ctrl Shift L. Box is back. Number two, click anywhere inside the data set and press Ctrl T. My table has headers. Click OK. Design tab is activated. You have a lot of more table option. Total row. Click here. Count. You can change. Summarize with pivot table, and you can convert to range. Click yes. Number three, to jump from one side of your data set to the bottom, use Control down. To jump to right, Control right arrow. To jump to left, Control left arrow. Jump back up, Control up. This is much faster than using the scroll bar. Now if you wanna jump to the bottom but highlight everything in between, use Control Shift down, Control Shift right, highlights, highlight everything on the right side. I can click on the Home tab to take me to the top of the data set. So if I had some text here and I used Control Shift right, it highlights everything there. If I want to format all data of this, I am gonna to use Control Shift down and click Control 1, which takes me to the Format Cells options. I can decide on my formatting and press OK. Number 4, if I am not using an Excel table and I wanna add a sum to this, just click the cell below or above your data, use Alt equal, that automatically inputs the sum function for you. Okay, number 5, if you want to copy or cut, you can use Control C to copy or Control X to cut and click Control V to paste. To add a new line inside a cell, use Alt Enter. So you have to be in edit mode, because if you press enter here, it just move down one cell. To move down a line inside a cell, press Alt Enter. And now you can input your text and you can adjust the formatting as you like. Okay. To select the entire data in the current region, click anywhere inside your dataset and press Control A. Control A once your dataset is highlighted. Wait for us in the second part of this video. Goodbye.